Plantronics Elara 60 series mobile phone station turns your smartphone into a desktop collaboration device. Personalize your mobile phone station to include a wireless headset with charging cradle, a corded headset with USB port, and a traditional handset. Setup is simple. Use the power adapter to plug in the mobile phone station. Then, connect your headset. If you have a corded headset, use the headset USB port. If you have a model that came with a wireless headset, it will already be paired. To pair other compatible wireless Plantronics headsets, go to the Settings menu, select Bluetooth, Headset Pairing, and Add New. Put your headset in pairing mode and follow the voice prompts. Next, pair your smartphone to the mobile phone station. Select Settings, Bluetooth, Phone Pairing, and Add New. On your mobile phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, On. Search for devices and select PLT Elara 60 series. If you have a Microsoft Teams license, download the Microsoft Teams app from the App Store. To charge your smartphone, place it on the phone platform, landscape, or portrait. If it's equipped with wireless charging, it will charge automatically. Otherwise, connect the charging cable from your phone into the USB port on the back of the station. A charging indicator icon will show charging or fully charged. When dialing a number directly, use the dial pad. Choose Cell Call or Teams Call and press the green phone button. To call using a contact stored on your mobile phone, select that contact. To place a call using Microsoft Teams, select your contact in the Microsoft Teams app. To answer an incoming call, press the headset button and put on your headset. Or if your station is equipped with a speakerphone, you can press the speakerphone button. While on a call, you can easily move between devices. For example, if you're on speakerphone and would rather talk on your headset, put on your headset and press the headset button. Or if you're wearing your headset and want to transfer a call to speakerphone, simply press the speakerphone button. To mute a call, press the mute button. If your mobile phone station is equipped with a handset, you'll simply lift the handset to use it. To enjoy music, podcasts, or other media, just play from your phone and the Plantronics Elara 60 media player will launch automatically. Control using the pause, play, and skip soft keys. To customize your settings and update the firmware, download the Plantronics Elara 60 series companion app at plantronics.com/software. If you want to use a different supported Plantronics headset, your headset cradle is interchangeable. You're now ready to enjoy your Plantronics Elara 60 series mobile phone station. For more information, visit plantronics.com.